Hi, Professor. I'm Hanxiao. Today I'm going to present the report of San Francisco Airport Customer Satisfaction Analysis. Throughout the report, I'm going to include the background and objectives of this project, data we applied during the analysis, summary of data outcomes, and our recommendation to San Francisco Airport. The key problem San Francisco Airport encounters now is how can it increase the overall customer satisfaction and build customer loyalty. With that question in mind, San Francisco Airport set up their objectives to be ranked as number one by passenger as an international gateway in its class, to be the airport of choice for premium passengers, and increase brand awareness and performance too. Knowing the objectives, we framed 3 questions for the analysis in order to meet the objective of San Francisco Airport. First, what is the infrastructure or service category that passenger most unsatisfied with, and accordingly, was international passenger and premium passenger satisfaction to San Francisco Airport? The data set we used to conduct the analysis are the customer survey data of San Francisco Airport from 2015 to 17. This data set contains passengers' demographic information and their satisfaction with airport facilities and services, as well as other psychographical information around their experience with San Francisco Airport. Each data set have roughly 3,000 records. After cleansing, the actual record we used to conduct analysis is around 2,500 each year. All these records are collected through interviews and with passengers in each of San Francisco Airport's terminal and boarding areas. When cleansing the data set, we met the problem that some numerical value of question 7 don't have a numerical meaning. For example, value 0 and 6 means blank, or customer had never used the facility before. To solve this problem, we delete the record where question 7's value equals to 0, because with 0 it is an incomplete record, and we replace the value 6 with the mean of each column to ensure the nature of the variable is numerical. After cleansing the dataset, we conducted our analysis of question 1, which are the category of airport infrastructure have the relatively low rating according to San Francisco Airport survey. Our analysis approach is to conduct a factor analysis first, group 14 variables into 4 factors: transportation, infrastructure, information, and entertainment, and compare the mean of each factors. Second, we run multilinear regression to see how 4 factors are weighted when they contributing to the overall rating. Lastly, we consider both the mean and weight of each factor to determine which is the lowest rated category. Noted that when we conduct the factor analysis, the absolute loading value of variable Wi-Fi is too low to group into any factors. So we pulled out the Wi-Fi variable separately and found out that the Wi-Fi had a relatively higher mean than others, which means it could not be the relatively low rating target, so we excluded variable Wi-Fi from this question. Using this formula, we found out entertainment was the lowest rated factor in 2015, and all passengers were most unsatisfied with transportation in 2016 and 17. We also compare rating between all passengers, international passengers, and premium passengers. The overall rating of all passengers performed relatively stable around 4.05. However, from the number we can tell that premium passenger is the hardest segment to satisfy with, and international passenger also tend to give a slightly lower rating than all passengers. In the second question relating to international passenger satisfaction to San Francisco Airport, we defined international passengers as those who had taken international flights in San Francisco Airport. Our approach of this problem is similar to question 1. After filtering the data to get a qualified record of international passengers where question peak's value equals to 3, we conduct factor analysis first to group variables and that have higher correlation to each other and run a multilinear regression to see the weight of each factors and find out which factor navigate to the dissatisfaction of international passengers each year. Again, we excluded variable Wi-Fi for the same reason as question 1. The result of this question is very consistent, as we see entertainment is the category international passenger most dissatisfied with during 2015 to 17. Apart from that, we also collect some demographical data of international passengers. Apart from US, Canada and China is the two countries where international passenger came from the most, together with the steady growth in passenger taking Chinese survey, prove that Chinese will continue to be an important part of international passenger for San Francisco Airport. In the last question relating to premium passenger satisfaction to San Francisco Airport, we use Pareto plot to determine the percentage of premium passenger based on the time they've flown each year. We found that around 16% of all passengers could be considered as premium passenger of San Francisco Airport. Later, we applied the same approach of question 2, grouped and weighted each factor and find out which factors lead to the dissatisfaction of premium passengers each year. Note that in this question, the absolute loading value of variable Wi-Fi is high enough to group into factors. From the result, we can tell that throughout years, premium passengers' focus have been moved from transportation to entertainment. Demographically, the major age group shows a trend of rejuvenation, dropped from early 40s to early 30s, and United Airlines is the airline company that carried most premium passengers flight. Besides, around 35% of premium passengers had also visited San Jose Airport, which made it a strong competitor for San Francisco Airport. Based on the data outcome, we come to the following conclusions. First, the overall customer satisfaction of San Francisco Airport is good, but the international and premium passenger have different opinions. Second, transportation is the main factor that passengers care about, but international and premium passenger focus more on entertainment services, for example, store, food, or art inside the terminal. Third, to attract more international and premium passenger and enhance their satisfaction, San Francisco Airport should focus more on millennials and Chinese passengers' need. Fourth, San Francisco Airport should also be prepared to meet more millennials since they have become the biggest portion not only among overall passengers but also international and premium passengers. To wrap up the report, we suggest San Francisco Airport with these two following recommendations. First, provide VIP loyalty program targeting premium and international passengers, provide exclusive entertainment service which fit the trend of millennials, improve the satisfaction of premium and international passengers with a relatively low budget. Second, entertainment will keep to be the category that passengers care the most, so San Francisco Airport need to improve the overall entertainment services and apply them first around United Airlines gate area since they carry most flights of our premium passengers. Also, according to the survey comment, San Francisco Airport should also add more food options and 24-hour food services and attract more shops and pop-up shows in terminal in order to meet passengers' need. Thank you.